Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, January the 19th, 2024. Last working day of the week. We have here 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 Star Sudoku, the 4 Star Sudoku, and the Killer Sudoku. In this newspaper we have good news because in today's newspaper we have the additional. Yesterday we have no additional, no extra puzzles, but today we have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but this afternoon I will solve the regular puzzles first. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, not so good news, because here we have news about the war between Israel and Hamas. 30,000 people killed in Palestine. Yes, it's a lot. 30k. Well. Not so good news. And the war is still going on. Alright, let me start with this one. The 3 Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 7828. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has well, come on. Zoom out. Zoom a little bit in. Alright. Having troubles with my tripod. Well. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, should be at 2 stars. A 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 26. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 8? In this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next down, need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here and 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And oh, no. 8 in the last column, 8 in the second column, so the column next, sorry, again, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so in that column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 in the second row, no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in the 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So on that row, only place level 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place level 5 should be there. One, two, three. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here, 5 in the first row, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So on the third row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. Okay. Then need a 7 here, need a 7 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 7, and I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, middle column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column, so the column between. Only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Alright, here, 2 missing numbers in the last row. For the numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So on that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about 2 missing numbers? Oh, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest of the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this row for number 1. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, in the middle row. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 in this row, third row. 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 in this column, first column. 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the same set numbers in this big square. For numbers 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Can I count? Yes, for the 4s. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. Alright. And now. 1 number left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Well. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then how about 7, 9, and need a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Alright. Here also 3 and the 7. Well, here 1 number left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 and the 7, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 or a 7, we have a 7 now, so this box can be 7 anymore. This box should be a 3, so 1 digit left in this row for number 7 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Alright, and the final number in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 14 minutes. Well. 2 stars. Well, let me give this a 1 star. Yeah, 1 star puzzle. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.